Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get your own ChatGPT API key. So let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and search for openai.com, and once you're here all you have to do is log in, and you need to have an account, so obviously, and you need to select API once logging in. And once you're done with here, all you have to do here guys is go ahead and um, on your upper right corner on your profile and view API keys. And once you are here, you need to be selected here, the API key, select that and create new secret key. And then you just need to input the key that you want to input here and then create the secret key. Once done with that, you can have the option to delete your key or revoke your key, and there. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can get your API key for ChatGPT. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.